guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Jessica, and today I'm coming to you guys with a high puff tutorial. Honestly, I feel like hair tutorials are pretty popular on my channel, so I feel like I'm going to be doing more of them in 2020. So just make sure you guys look out for that by liking, commenting, and please subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell so you can get notified of when I post new videos. And make sure you leave me a comment just telling me if you like my hair or not, because the length is like out of control right now. My hair is growing and I don't know how to act. Like, I'm just so excited about my hair growth. And if you also are a naturalista like me, please let me know in the comment section down below, like what products you use for hair growth, or if you have any tips, especially if you have 4C hair. I would love to hear from you. So that was it for my little spiel in the beginning of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and just keep on watching. All right, so this is like a 2 to 3 week old twist that I had in my hair. So usually when I just put on my wigs, I just twist my hair up, and I decided to put my hair in a high puff. Ooh. So this is what it's looking like right now, guys. I know, crazy, but my hair is getting so much longer. Let's do a quick one check. So you can see like right there that my hair is getting longer. Finally. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I am going to wet my hair a little bit because it's like really dry and I'm about to brush it and I'm kind of tender-headed. So let me go wet my hair really quickly. I'll be right back. So I decided to just grab my spray bottle that I have like leave-in conditioner and water in it. So I'm just gonna spray like the perimeter of my hair. Bristle brushes are like really essential for these types of hairstyles. If you have like 4C, 4B hair, definitely get a bristle brush. Now what I'm just going to do is brush my hair up into the position that I want my high puff. When you're brushing, you kind of get in between your hair as well a little bit. Well, I know for me, my hair was in twists, so my hair is pretty separated, so I kind of need to like brush even the middle up towards the high puff. All right, so what's gonna make this hold into the position that I want it to is my trusty handy dandy Gorilla Snot. This is like my favorite gel. It doesn't really make my hair revert too much as like other gels. Like the Eco Styler makes my hair revert like crazy and wave up. But this, it's not too bad, and it doesn't make my hair like flaky or anything like that. If you wear it for a really long time, it will like dry out your hair as like other gels do. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start off small, but this is not gonna be enough to hold my 4C hair up into a high puff. So I'm just going to like put this gel all around my perimeter, and then I'm going to use my bristle brush to brush that into my hair and up into the high puff position that I want it to be in. You're just gonna continue to do that all around the perimeter of your hair. have 4C hair, you know how like tiring working with your hair can be. Lord, I need a break. I need a break. All right, we're just gonna keep doing that. Now you don't have to use as much gel as me, but this is just how much I like to use because I feel like it gives me sort of a better hold. And while you're brushing, you kind of want to mold your hair as well by just doing like this with your hand. I know some people like to put the gel in between their hair, but I'm not going to do that today because this is sort of a temporary style for me. I don't usually keep it in very long. Alright, so I think I have it in the position that I want it to be in. So now I'm just going to take my hair tie. This is actually 2 hair ties that I just tied together, as you can see, because I haven't found anything else, or I haven't bought anything else to help tie up my hair, because this works just as fine. But as my hair grows, this is kind of becoming too small, so I might just buy something that can help tie up my hair. But you can honestly use like a shoestring. I know people use shoestrings or anything that just can tie up your hair, basically. So I'm going to kind of turn around so you guys can see what I'm doing in the back of my hair. All right, so you're going to take your hair tie and you're just going to hold it in the front. And then you're going to push the hair tie up as high as you want it. I like the back to be really high. And I'm going to make sure I'm just pulling my hair through. I think that's high enough for me. That's high enough for me. So now I'm gonna turn back around. All right, so that's high enough for me in the back. So now I'm just gonna tie it in the front and make sure I'm pulling the hair on the side, inside the hair tie. And I'm just gonna push this back a little bit and make sure the sides are up very high as well. Then I'm just gonna pull the hair tie. Just like that. Make sure it's in the middle. Gonna pull it just like that. Wow, look at my hair. It's grown so much. Okay. So you should have a puff that looks something like this. Ooh, girl, look at that puff. Okay, my hair has grown so much. All right, so what are you gonna do with these 2 strings? You're going to take your bobby pins. Honestly, you only need 2 bobby pins, 3 at the most, honestly. So it's already tied one time in the front, and then you're just gonna take these in the back and just take them all around until it can't go all around anymore. And you're gonna pin it wherever it stops. In my case, it stops right here. So I'm just gonna pin it. And then make sure you tuck it so it just doesn't show. If it's still trying to peek through, just tuck it. And then the next one, gonna take it around, and then it stops right here. So I'm just gonna pin it. Ooh, got hair mama. I'm just gonna pin it right there. And it should not move or anything. So you have your high puff now. Now you can adjust it how you want it. I kind of like my front to come a little bit more forward. So I pull my hair down more in the front. And then I have no idea where my pick is, but I'm gonna take my Y2 comb and just pull my puff up so my puff can have more height. Now remember, your puff is what you make it. It can look however you want it to. You can even not have it up this high. You can have it further back. It's up to you. Honestly, you can just leave it like this. But for me, I am going to just lay my baby hairs a little bit. I'm just like, wow, I'm astonished, honestly. Didn't know my hair grew this much. All right, and then after that, you're just gonna shape it how you want to. Normally, I would tie my hair for like 10 minutes so the gel can kind of set in place and dry, but I have to be somewhere and I'm running out of time, so we're gonna skip past that. I'm going to take my little comb slash brush thing that I got from the beauty supply store to lay my edges. So first I'm just gonna brush them out so I can see what I'm working with. Identified our baby hairs, we're going to take our gorilla snot again, and now we're going to begin laying our baby hairs. Perfection because I do have makeup on, and usually I do my hair before I do my makeup, but like I said, I'm in a rush today, so. All right, now they're not laid and slayed, but they're a little something. So I'm just gonna tie a silk scarf around my perimeter so the baby hairs can set, and I'm just gonna leave the scarf on for about 10 minutes. We have a high puff and we are just looking so bomb. Let me know if this tutorial helped you or if you have any questions for me, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and push that notification bell so you can get notified of when I post new videos, because I am going to be posting a lot of content in 2020 and I'm very excited about it. So that is it, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.